I think this course is a great 2-day introduction to project management. Whether you're new starting your career in regulatory affairs, or whether you've been in regulatory affairs for a number of years and you want to learn more about project management or just kind of top up your project management skills, it's a great course that condenses a lot into 2 days. You'll take away some great tools and techniques to help you in your projects. Within regulatory affairs, we kind of take a central role on projects. We're dealing with all sorts of stakeholders: quality, supply chain, artwork, etc. And this course also focuses on stakeholder management and how you can bring those people along with you and ensure success in your project. Other project management introduction courses, they're very much focused on the project management aspect, but they wouldn't have a regulatory affairs flavor to them, whereas this course allows for you to have those interactions with regulatory professionals and better understand the context of how those project management skills can be applied within regulatory. I think one of the primary benefits of this course is that it's 2 days, so it's a nice size to get started on project management skills and techniques, but you're also amongst other regulatory professionals. So you're gaining experience and you can ask relevant questions to those regulatory professionals in the room, particularly the presenters who bring a lot of experience managing projects in the regulatory industry. So coming away from this course, I think those who have attended will have better tools and techniques to help manage risks on their projects, to manage timelines and scheduling, resource management, and particularly stakeholder engagement.